Hi everyone, I am Aqsa Zafar and welcome back to MLTut, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. Today I am here with something super important for those of you curious about data engineering, especially if you are just starting out and don't want to spend money upfront. I am sharing 7 amazing free data engineering courses from top platforms like Meta, IBM, AWS, DeepLearning.AI and more. And here's the best part. I will also show you exactly how you can enroll in these courses for free, step by step. So you can start learning today without worrying about cost. So if you have been wondering, where do I even start with data engineering? Or how can I break into this field without spending tons on courses? This video is just for you. Stay with me as I walk you through each course, what you will learn, and how to sign up. So let's get started. The first course I want to share is Introduction to Data Engineering by IBM. This beginner-friendly course covers the basics of data engineering, including key tools like relational databases, NoSQL, Apache Spark, data lakes, and more. To enroll in this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button. Then click Audit this course. That's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. You will learn about data pipelines, security, governance, and even get hands-on practice setting up a database and running SQL queries. In my view, it's a great overview course, perfect if you want to understand what data engineers do and how the ecosystem works. Just keep in mind it's an introduction, so it won't go too deep into technical details, but for anyone starting out, it's a solid first step. The second course I am excited to share is Data Engineering on AWS Foundations. It's a short course, just about 1 hour, designed for beginners, no prior experience needed. To join this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button, then choose Full Course No Certificate, then click Continue, and then click Start Learning. That's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. This course gives you a clear overview of what a data engineer does, introduces key AWS services, and covers topics like serverless computing, infrastructure as code, CI/CD, security, and cost optimization. In my opinion, this course is perfect if you are curious about how data engineering works on AWS and want to understand the basic tools and cloud services involved. It's a great quick start resource, but keep in mind it's a very foundational, so don't expect deep technical dives. Still, for just an hour, it's a smart way to dip your toes into cloud data engineering. The third course I want to highlight is Introduction to Modern Data Engineering with Snowflake. It's an intermediate level course, about 6 hours long, designed for those who already have some experience and want to build real world data pipelines using Snowflake. To enroll in this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. In this hands-on course, you will learn how to ingest data at scale, perform powerful data transformations with SQL, Snowpark, UDFs, and stored procedures, and deliver data products through Snowflake's tools. You will also explore pipeline orchestration using Task and DAX, working directly with Snowflake, Visual Studio Code, GitHub, and the command line. If you are aiming to level up your data engineering skills with a focus on modern cloud tools, this course is a fantastic pick. It's packed with practical content, making it perfect for those ready to move beyond the basics. Next up is Introduction to Data Engineering by DeepLearning.AI. This intermediate level course is perfect if you want a deep dive into the full data engineering lifecycle, from data creation and collection to transformation, storage, and delivering data to end users. To enroll in this course for free, click the Enroll for Free button, then click Audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. Over about 2 weeks, you will learn how to gather stakeholder needs and turn them into clear system requirements. You will design and build both batch and streaming data pipelines on AWS, gaining hands-on experience that's very practical for real-world projects. The course covers crucial topics like data architecture, security, performance tuning, scalability, and how to optimize everything for business value. Plus, you will work on building a product recommendation system using AWS Cloud Tools. The course is packed with videos, readings, and assignments to help you think and act like a professional data engineer. If you are serious about mastering data pipelines end to end, this course is a solid choice. Next up is Data Engineering pipelines, ETL, Hadoop. This 2-hour course is great if you want to learn how to build strong data pipelines and work with big data using Hadoop. To join this course for free, click the enroll for free button, then choose full course no certificate option, then click continue, and then click start learning. That's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. In this course, you will learn how data pipelines work, create ETL processes that can handle lots of data, and get hands-on with Hadoop tools like SDFS, MapReduce, Hive, Pig, and Spark. This course is perfect if you have some programming basics and want to understand how to manage and process large data sets to help make better decisions. By the end, you will be able to build and manage data pipelines and handle big data challenges with confidence. Course 6 Advanced Data Engineering is a 2-week course that helps you improve your skills in building and managing data pipelines that can handle big amounts of data. You will learn how to use message queues like RabbitMQ and task tools like Celery to manage data processing. To enroll in this course for free, click enroll for free button, then click audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. The course also teaches about special databases called vector and graph databases that store complex data well. With hands-on projects, you will practice using tools like Apache Airflow and MySQL to build real data systems. By then, you will know how to create strong and fast data systems, organize workflows, and solve tough data problems. And the last course is Advanced Data Modeling by Meta. It's a flexible course you can complete at your own pace in about 2 hours. It teaches you important skills for designing and managing databases, especially for data warehouses. To enroll in this course for free, click enroll for free button, then click audit this course, and that's it. You will get full access to all the course materials. You will learn how to use tools like MySQL Workbench to create and manage data models, plan ETL processes, and handle database operations like monitoring and debugging. The course includes real-world projects to help you practice these skills. It's a great course for anyone who has some basic database knowledge and wants to get better at organizing and using data efficiently. By the end, you will be comfortable with data modeling, managing databases, and using tools to make data work easier and smarter. You will find all the course links in the description below. Take your time and explore them. So, these are the 7 best free data engineering courses you can start right now. These courses cover everything from basic skills to advanced tools and real projects, all without spending any money. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.